Let us discuss homework. Question number 32. If any of the student having any doubt in question number 32, just unmute your mic and please tell me. Any of the student having any of the problem in any of the question of homework, just you have to unmute your mic and you have to ask your doubt. Question number 32, 34, 35, 37, 39, 68C, 70B was the homework of previous session, not the previous of previous. Okay, 71, sixth one. These two, any of the doubt in any of these two? Okay, I think let us continue with the question number 38. 38. The question is limit x tends to 1 x minus 1 limit x tends to 1 root x minus 1 upon root x square minus 1 plus root x cube minus 1. So here if we put x equal to 1, we get root 1 minus 1. 1 square is 1, so here also we get root 1 minus 1. 1 cube is also 1, so 1 minus 1. Ultimately root 0, here root 0, here root 0, that is 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So ultimately 0 by 0 is the answer for this part, and we know that whenever we have a 0 by 0, either we have to factorize or we have to rationalize. And we know that if there is a root sign is there in the question, it's better to rationalize instead of factorization. But particular for this question, because the factor of this x square minus 1 is very simple, it is x minus 1 x plus 1, and here factor of x cube minus 1 is also very simple, it is x minus 1 and then x square plus x plus 1. It's better to factorize this instead of rationalize. So here you would write x minus 1 as it is. Here you can write root factor is x minus 1 x plus 1 plus here factor is x minus 1 x square plus x plus 1. And now this you can write like this: limit x tends to 1 root x minus 1, and there is one rule, it is like this: root a into b. So you can write root a into root b, that is the rule. So if we use that rule here, so you can write this equal to root x minus 1 into root x plus 1. Consider this is your a and this is b, so root a into root b. So here we get like this, plus same thing, here you can write root x minus 1 and root x square plus x plus 1. Then in denominator, keep this numerator as it is, root x minus 1, keep that as it is, and in denominator see, you can take this part common. So taking root x minus 1 common. So in bracket we get this term root x plus 1 plus this term root x square plus x plus 1. And now you can cancel this. And now put x equal to 1. So ultimately after that, what is the simplification of original question? It is limit x tends to 1, numerator having only 1 and denominator we have this thing. And now put x equal to 1. So here 1 is off as it is, and here we have to put x equal to 1. So we get 1 plus 1, and here we get 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So my final answer is 1 upon root 2 plus root 3. So this is my final answer. Or you can write 1 upon root 3 plus root 2. It's one of the same thing. So this is my final answer, 1 upon root 2 plus root 3 or 1 upon root 3 plus root 2. That is our final answer. Now if we see the answer here, the answer is this one, root 3 minus root 2. In fact, either you can write this or this. It is considered as your final answer. Actually this and this number, this, it's only look like we have an answer 1 by 2 and the answer given is 0.5. It's only like this. So either you can write 1 by 2 or you can write 0.5. You know that it is one of the same thing. Either you can write 0.5 or 1.5. It's one of the same thing. 1 by 2 or 0.5. It's same thing. Similarly, this and this same. Now the question is how? So do one more step here. Rationalize. Now rationalize. And if we rationalize, what will happen? In numerator we get root 3 minus root 2 as it is. Here in denominator it's look like a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b, that is nothing but what? A square. A square means what? 3 root 3 square minus b square. And we know the answer for that. It is root 3 minus root 2 in numerator as it is. This is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. So the final answer is root 3 minus root 2. So either you can write this answer or you can write this answer. Both are correct answer. So here in book it is written like root 3 minus root 2. So to get that particular answer, we require to do some modification.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Sir, can you please repeat the last step?
Okay. What is your roll number?
516.
516. Okay. Uh, uh, this is our last step. Up to this, do you have any problem?
No, sir. This is root 3 minus root 2 wala, sir.
Okay. So up to this, there is no problem. Now, you know that you can interchange this because of this plus sign. So instead of root 2 plus root 3, you can write root 3 plus root 2. So this is considered as your final answer. But the answer given in the book is this one. So to get this particular answer, what we have to do? We have to rationalize. This is known as rationalization. In that, what we have to do? We have to change the sign here. Instead of plus, you have to write minus. And the same thing you have to write in numerator. So this is known as rationalization. Now, this 1 into root 3 minus root 2, that is this thing. So this is as it is. And now, here, this into this. Now if you multiply this two, so it's look like a plus b into a minus b. So we know that a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square.
A square minus
So
b square.
it's
Okay, sir.
root 3
Got it. Got
square.
it. Thank you, sir.
Root 3 square minus root 2 square. And ultimately we get the answer 3 minus 2, that means what? 1, and finally we get the answer. I think it is clear for you. Over? Okay, anybody else has any problem? So let us continue with the next question. Question number 40. It's also very good question. Limit x tends to 3, x minus 3 upon x minus in bracket root 3 plus root 2 into root x plus root 6. Interesting question. Limit x tends to 3 in numerator x minus 3 and in denominator x minus here root 3 plus root 2 into root x plus root 6. This is the question. Now see, if we put x equal to 3, if we put x equal to 3, any student have any problem? Sir, your voice not coming. I think remaining all students have no problem. So maybe there is some problem from your side. Please check it. Okay. Now see, if we put x equal to 3, so we get 3 minus 3. That means 0. Upon, if we put x equal to 3, what we get? 3 minus this root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 6. Now numerator has 3 minus 3, that means 0. Keep this 3 as it is. Now open the bracket, only this part. Put in a bracket. So if we multiply root 3 with this 2, so we get here root 3 into root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus this root 6 as it is. So we have 0 in numerator, and let us calculate the denominator part. So it is 3 minus, now say root 3 into root 3, that is 3 plus root 3 into root 2 into root 3, that is root 6 plus root 6 as it is. And now if you open the bracket here, open the bracket, so we get 3 minus, because of this minus sign, if you open the bracket, sign will change and we get like this. So we can say that this 3 cut minus root 3 plus root 6 cut, so we get 0 by 0. And once we have 0 by 0, we can say that x minus 3 is 1 factor. Now the question is, see here x minus 3 is already there in numerator, but now we have to factorize so that we get x minus 3. That is not simple for this question. So how to solve this question? See, let us repeat the question. Limit x tends to 3. Yes. Yes, please.
सर
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
सर ये थर्ड स्टेप में रूट 3 into रूट 3 कैसे आया?
Okay. If you open the bracket, ये जो ब्रैकेट है, if you open the bracket, so ये रूट 3 को दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ना?
ओके सर, ओके.
Got it?
सर
Okay. Now let us continue. So let us write down first of all original question. Limit x tends to 3, x minus 3 upon x minus root 3 plus root 2 into root x plus root 6. And we know that if we put x equal to 3, we get answer 0 by 0. That we already checked. Now, see how to solve this question. You can keep this numerator as it is. Or you can write this x, you can write it is root x into root x minus this 3, you can write root 3 into root 3. Similarly, in denominator, you can write this x is root x into root x, and now multiply by root x, and this sign is minus here, so if you open the bracket we get different sign, so root 3 into root x. Instead of plus we get minus because of this minus sign, so minus root 2 into root x plus this root 6, that you can write like root 2 into root 3. So in this particular step, because this is slight tricky, if any of you have any problem, let us discuss that one first and then we will continue. Any student have any problem in this step, check it. Instead of x, it is root x into root x. Instead of 3, it is root 3 into root 3. And if we open the bracket, we get root 3 into root x here, root 2 into root x, and sign will change. Instead of x, root x into root x. Instead of root 6, root 2 into root 3. Any of the
लास्ट वाला रूट,
हाँ बोलो कहाँ पे?
सर ये लास्ट वाला, लास्ट में आपने रूट 2 इंटू रूट 3 किया है ना, वो रूट 6 का कैसे?
ओके, सो अभी हमने रूल देखा था ऐसा कि रूट a इंटू बी यू कैन राइट एज रूट a इंटू रूट बी. रूट a इंटू बी इज यू कैन राइट रूट a इंटू रूट बी. तो वही हुआ ना कि रूट a इंटू रूट बी यू कैन राइट रूट a इंटू बी. ओके, वन अनदर वे, लिसन. कैन वी राइट रूट 6? आपको यही प्रॉब्लम है ना कि रूट 6 की जगह ये कैसे आया? यस और नो? वही प्रॉब्लम है ना?
यस सर.
So now see instead of root 6 we can write root 6 means 3 2s are, and
Yes,
this
sir.
you can write root 2 into root 3. हमने अभी देखा था
Okay,
रूट
sir.
a into b होता है ना, तो you can write root a into root b.
Yes, got it.
Got it? Okay, let us continue. Now any of the student have any problem in this particular step? Any of you have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now see this root x into root x, you can write root x the whole square minus root 3 into root 3, you can write root 3 the whole square. Here in denominator, from these two steps, first two steps, take root 3 common, sorry, root x common. In these two steps, if we take root x common, one root x you can take common. So what we get? Root x minus root 3. We get root x minus root 3 minus, from this we know that root 2 is possible to cancel common. So if we take root 2 common, so once again we get root x, and because we take minus root 2 common, sign will change. Okay, Please ask your doubt in this step if you have any.
सर ये रिपीट करो ना.
Listen, this मैं जो भी बोल रहा हूँ कहीं पे भी नहीं पता चले ना तुरंत ही पूछो वो स्टेप, ठीक है?
यस.
रूट एक्स इंटू रूट एक्स, क्या मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ रूट एक्स द होल स्क्वायर?
यस सर.
Root 3 into root 3. Can I write root 3 the whole square instead of that?
यस.
Okay. Tell me, क्या कॉमन निकल सकता है इसमें से? इसमें से क्या रूट एक्स कॉमन निकालोगे तो बचेगा क्या ब्रैकेट में?
x minus 3.
हाँ, रूट एक्स माइनस रूट 3 बचेगा ना, कि x माइनस 3 बचेगा?
root x minus
Root
root
x
3.
minus root.
चलो ठीक है. Then if we take minus root 3 common from this, minus root 2, minus root 2. So what we get in bracket?
रूट 2.
Root x minus root 3. Yes or no?
यस सर.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ तक समझ में आया अभी?
अरे
हाँ
साइन
sir.
इसमें चेंज हो गई.
सर.
Okay.
साइन चेंज होगा.
साइन चेंज हो गई.
हाँ, साइन क्यों चेंज हुआ? क्योंकि हमने माइनस, देखो नाउ डू वन थिंग, इसको ओपन करोगे तो आप क्या होगा? सो माइनस रूट 2 इंटू रूट एक्स, तो ये आ जाएगा और ये माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा ना.
ओके
Yes,
सर, गॉट
sir.
इट.
अभी और किसी को भी प्रॉब्लम हो पूछ लो. Okay, so now let us continue. Now this numerator, it's look like a square minus b square. इसको a समझ लो, a square minus b square. What is the factor? a minus b, a plus b. So what is the factor? कौन बोलेगा? आप बोलो, मैं लिखता हूँ. कौन बोलेगा?
x minus 3
Root
x
x
plus 3.
रूट एक्स
X
माइनस
minus
3
Root x
प्लस
minus
3.
root 3.
Root x
root
plus
x
root
plus
3. Root 3.
Okay.
यस प्लस 3.
Now take common. Once again, see, this is common. So take it's outside. So what we get? Root x minus root 3 in one bracket, and in another bracket root x minus root 2. यहां तक किसी को प्रॉब्लम हो तो पूछो.
नो सर.
Very good. Now cancel this. And now put x equal to 3. So we get here root 3 plus root 3. And here we get root 3 minus root 2. So our final answer, कौन बताएगा root 3 plus root 3 क्या होता है?
2 root 3.
2 root 3. Perfect. और ये तो as it is. So this is our final answer. Over. Answer आ गया. But if you see the answer given in the book, it is not exactly what we have here. तो अब मुझे कोई बता सकता है कि now if I want this answer,
रियलाइजेशन.
obtain that.
Rationalization.
Very good. Perfect.
Rationalization.
Rationalization. Perfect. So see, in exam no need to do this rationalization. Here we are doing this thing only to match the answer. Otherwise in exam you can consider this is your final answer. You will get full marks, no problem at all. Okay, now let us continue. So if we multiply, if we rationalize, numerator remains as it is, 2 into root 3, into root 3 plus root 2, this numerator as it is, and now denominator, now it's look like a minus b into a plus b, so we can say that it is nothing but a square minus b square. So it is root 3 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. Okay, any of the student have any problem in this step? Please tell me, be fast.
सर ये सेकंड स्टेप समझाओ ना.
ओके, रेशनलाइज तक समझ में आ गया? रेशनलाइज तक?
यस सर.
Okay, now see once again, this you have to multiply, you have to put this as it is, 2 root 3, देखो 2 root 3 into root 3 plus root 2, बस मैंने तो वही का वही लिख लिया. बोलो न्यूमरेटर में कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir.
नो सर.
ओके, अब देखो डिनोमिनेटर, इट्स लुक लाइक a माइनस b into a प्लस b. बोलो a माइनस b इंटू a प्लस b क्या होता है?
स्क्वायर माइनस बी.
A square minus B square.
a स्क्वायर, इसका स्क्वायर माइनस स्क्वायर, तो आ गया ये रूट 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस रूट 2 का स्क्वायर. अब भी नहीं समझ में आया तो बोलो. आ गया सबको?
No, sir.
Okay, good.
यस सर.
Okay, very good. Now tell me, what is root 3 the whole square? 3. Root 2 the whole square? 2. And sign is
2.
minus. Now, open the bracket. Open the bracket. So, if you open the bracket, what we get? 2 into root 3 into root 3 plus 2 into root 3 into root 2. बोलो ये स्टेप में समझ में नहीं आया वैसा कोई है?
नो सर.
Okay,
No,
good.
sir.
Now keep this 2 as it is and see root 3 into root 3. We know that it is 3. So 2 into 3 plus keep this 2 as it is. And we know that root 3 into root 2 हमने किया था. कौन बताएगा root 3 into root 2?
Root 6, sir. Root 6.
Root 6. Perfect.
Root 6.
और 3
Root
minus
6.
2 तो हो जाएगा 1 और 2 3 जा हो जाता है 6 प्लस 2 root 6 और नीचे 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So this is our answer and that is given in the book. 6 plus 2 root 6. 6 plus 2 root 6. But in fact, if we keep up to this in exam, you will get full marks because either you can write 1 upon 2 or 0.5. It's same thing. It's same like this. So अगर आपका आंसर 0.5 आ रहा है और बुक में 1/2 लिखा है तो कोई ये भी लिख सकता है 0.5 is 5 upon 10. फिर वो आगे काम कर भी सकता है 5 into 1 और नीचे 5 into 2. 5 cancel 1/2. ऐसा आंसर कोई लिखेगा, nothing wrong in it. But if you keep this 0.5 as it is, it's okay. So that is why either you keep this as it is and consider this is your final answer, or you can do this step. हमने ये step किया है only to verify this answer. So
Hello, sir.
बोलो.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
हाँ, sir. So there is no necessity to do further steps, sir. Right?
100% yes. No need to do any further step after this in exam. तो अभी क्यों किया हमने वो बता दो.
to match
Answer
the
match
book
करने के लिए।
answer.
करेक्ट,
वेरीफाई करने के लिए।
वेरीफाई करने के लिए, बस और कुछ नहीं किया है। ओके, सो आई थिंक we have this much time only, so let us keep this up. Let us write down some homework if it is possible. No, I don't think now you are able to do any of the example, because all the remaining examples require some different type of concept. Okay, you can do this as homework. You can try to solve this as homework. I think it is enough. So only 2 examples are there in homework. If you have any problem in these 2 examples, we will discuss in our next lecture. So it is